Yes.
Hey, buddy, nice Halloween costume. What are you? I'm a ghost, duh. What are you? Well, I'm SpongeBob. What does it look like? What? No, I'm SpongeBob! Impersonator! You impersonator! You will be jailed for this, you idiot! Copper! Officer! Officer! What? He's an impersonator! I'm SpongeBob and he's impersonating me! What are you talking about? This is my Halloween costume. Officer! What, me? I'm not really an officer. I'm just pretending to be an officer for Halloween. Then I'll have to do this myself! Die! Die! Sir, you're not allowed to do that! I am actually a police officer! No! Ah! Ah! What? Don't look at me! Ah!